Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to transform various industries and improve people's lives. However, it also brings with it a number of risks and challenges that need to be addressed. In this script, we will discuss the benefits and risks of AI and how it is changing the world. Here are a few benefits of AI. Automation. AI can automate routine and mundane tasks, saving time and improving efficiency. Personalization. AI can analyze large amounts of data to provide personalized recommendations and services. Healthcare. AI can help diagnose diseases, develop new medicines, and assist with surgeries. Safety. AI can be used to improve safety in various industries, such as self-driving cars and surveillance systems. Accessibility. AI can provide accessibility to people with disabilities to use technologies that were previously unavailable to them. Let's not forget about the risks of AI. Job displacement. AI could potentially displace jobs that are repetitive and predictable, leading to unemployment for many people. Bias. AI systems can perpetuate existing biases in society, such as racial or gender bias, if not properly designed and tested. Privacy. AI can collect and analyze vast amounts of data, raising privacy and data security concerns. Autonomous weapons. The development of autonomous weapons using AI raises concerns about their potential misuse and the possibility of accidents or unintended consequences. Dependence. As we increasingly rely on AI, there is a risk of becoming dependent on it, which could lead to a loss of skills and knowledge. How AI is changing the world. Industry disruption. AI is transforming traditional industries such as manufacturing, retail, and finance by enabling new business models and greater efficiency. Healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostics, drug development, and treatment. Education. AI is changing the way we learn by providing personalized learning experiences and tools for educators. Smart cities. AI is being used to create smart cities where technology is used to improve the quality of life for citizens. Climate change. AI is being used to combat climate change by optimizing energy consumption, improving forecasting, and finding new solutions to environmental problems. Artificial intelligence has tremendous potential to transform various industries and improve people's lives. However, it also comes with risks that must be addressed to ensure it is used responsibly. As AI evolves, we need to ensure that it is used for the benefit of society while managing the challenges it presents.